Here's what different planets sound like. So I told my friend Lewis to scavenger planets. So yeah, here's what Venus sounds like. Who put a massive church on there? Here's Pluto. Bro, that literally sounds like death. Here's Pluto. I think planets just love church.
Ha ha ha.
And finally, here's Earth. Yeah, I think Lewis died on the way.
Subscribe.